Alright then gang, so we have finished this application. Give yourself a pat on the back if you've made it all the way through. Well done. But what I'd like to do now is just test this out a little bit, make sure everything works from the very beginning. So I've got open my Google console on the left for this project. I'm going to go to authentication first of all, and I'm going to delete these two users we have. So delete that and also delete this. And I'm also going to go to the database and delete the two user records as well, if it does eventually load, that is. Okay, so to delete these, I'm going to go to this record and delete the document, and then to the next one and delete the document, start delete. There we go. So blank brews collection and no users left. And notice it's gone from over here as well. So now let's log out and let's try and register to begin with. So I'm going to start off with Yoshi at the netninja.co.uk, and it's just going to be test 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's register, and yeah, that works. So we get a new document over here and we can see it already over here. Now if I go to settings, then I'm going to change my name to Yoshi, and then I'm going to change the sugars to 2 sugars and make it a little stronger but still quite weak. Update that. It updates over here and we see it update here in the Firestore collection as well. Okay, cool. If I go to settings again and try and change this to something else like 3 sugars and make it a bit weaker, it updates here and here. Awesome. So that's working. If we log out and then try to sign back in as Yoshi, let me say Yoshi at the netninja.co.uk and test 1 2 3 4, sign in and check out the settings. It's pre-populated correctly. I'm just going to crank this up to a strong coffee, update that, and yeah, everything still works. We can see strength 800 and a dark coffee. Awesome. So let me log out and I'm going to try registering with one more user. And who have we not used? Mario at the netninja.co.uk and test 1 2 3 4, register. And yeah, we can see new crew member, and we can see another document down here now, new crew member. So let me change this to Mario and press the tick. I'm gonna just keep that as a weak coffee, but I'll change the sugars to 1 sugar, update this, and we see an update over here and an update over here. Right, because Mario's got an account, I feel like I have to make one for Luigi as well. So let me quickly do that just to make sure everything still works. The netninja.co.uk and test 1 2 3 4. I'm sorry if you can hear whirring. Suddenly my computer's decided to whir like mad and it's really loud. Okay, so new crew member and a new document over here somewhere. And if I go to settings and change this to Luigi, and Luigi is going to have 4 sugars. He's got a sweet tooth and a really strong coffee. Update that. And voila, it's also updated over here as well. Cool. So there we go, my friends. Everything seems to be working in this app. So there we go, my friends. We have reached the end of the series. I really hope you've enjoyed it and that you've learned at least a little of something along the way and that have not completely wasted 5 hours of your life. Now, if you want to learn more about Flutter, or if you want to go back a step, if you found this course a little bit too challenging to begin with, then I suggest you could check out my Flutter tutorial for beginners on this YouTube channel. I'll leave the link down below to that. And also, if you want to learn more about Firebase Auth, I have a whole series about Firebase Auth using JavaScript as well, and also Firebase Firestore. So you can check out both of those series as well right here on YouTube. I'll leave the link to those down below. Now, if you did enjoy these videos, my friends, please, please, please do not forget to share, subscribe and like. That really means a lot to me. And if you did want to show your extra support, I do have a join button on my YouTube channel now. It's just 99 pence or cents per month and you get these cool little badges as well. But until next time, that is your lot for now, my friends, and I'll see you in the very next series.